In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can record your own voice or doing a voiceover in Canva. Now, this is extremely useful if you are planning to present your Canva document or presentation, but you don't want to do it over and over again. You can just record yourself once and then you can share the document and everybody can see and or hear your voice. So this is how you can record your voice in Canva. First, let's open a document, and after that, you have to go to Uploads and then click record yourself. This is the feature in Canva that allows us to record the webcam but also the microphone. But of course, you don't have to open your webcam if you just want to record your voice. Now click on that button, and usually it's going to ask you for the permission to access the microphone. You have to click enable or click accept, and after that you can start the recording. But usually there's going to be an onboarding setup where Canva will ask what is the device or the microphone that you want to use, and then you have to select which one is the correct microphone. In this case, I didn't see any because I actually have that set up before. So you only need to set up that once and you will get the same setting after that. And to start the recording, you can click the record button and you can start talking. So I'm going to do some testing here. All right, I'm going to count from 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Done. And let's click this button. And when you're done, you can click save and exit, or you can also click delete and you can do it all over again. So I'm going to try this one more time, and I'm going to count from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's click save and exit. And now
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so Canva will immediately put that recording into your document, and usually it will be represented by this icon, and you can actually see the audio by going to the thumbnail view and then enable duration, and then you'll see that there is an audio right here. It's not visible at the moment, but there is an audio. Let me check that. Yeah, okay, usually you have to insert some sort of audio in order to be able to see the audio. Oh, sorry about that. This is not just audio, this is a video, because Canva doesn't allow you to record audio only. You need to record the video. But since I disabled the microphone, Canva is giving me this photo placeholder, and therefore this is a video, not an audio. Sorry about that. Okay, now this file can be played when I'm doing a presentation.
1, 2, 3.
And you can actually enable some settings right here. There is a playback setting to automatically play or play the audio on repeat. And also, if you don't want to have this icon appear on your document, you can disable it, or actually you cannot, but you can make it disappear. You can enable the transparency and set it to 0, and that item is basically becoming invisible and your audience won't be able to see that. So that's how you can record yourself, at least do a voice recording in Canva.